Okay, I'm back again in this super smaxy outfit. Oh, what?
What on earth are you doing?
I'm doing a cleaning out my room video.
In your pajamas?
Yes. Anyway, yes, I'm back. Don't mind my headphone. Also, yes, I was talking about my pajamas. I'm gonna be going through this stuff that's hanging up on the back of my door, which is jackets that I wear, jackets, sweaters, and my curling stuff, like the game curling. But I'm gonna go through this and get rid of stuff. But I'm gonna just do a time lapse because I'm tired. Okay, so I'm done sorting all of these. I basically just took out like a couple jackets that I'm gonna get rid of, and then I put the rest on. Oh no, I forgot about this stuff. This is my curling stuff. I put my curling stuff on here instead of in my closet because when I'm going to curling, I'm usually in a rush, so I just have to grab my stuff and quickly get changed and go. This is all of the stuff that I'm getting rid of from only this part. Like, am I okay? This jacket I like, but it's not the right color of red. It's not flattering on me at all. My sister gave it to me. This sweater was given to me by a family friend, and then this was also given to me by my sister by one of her friends. I've never tried it on, but at this point we all know I don't need more clothes. Look how cute this thing is. I need to put my last necklace up here, but oh my gosh, when I'm actually gonna get my life together and edit up my room renovation sort of thing, you'll see all the things in my room that you haven't seen before. So I think that's it, or that's all I'm gonna be doing for tonight at least. I'll see you tomorrow. This is me after, I think I've been here for, 6 hours. Oh my gosh, my eyes are burning, my nostrils, I just cannot breathe in. I have my fan blaring, like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to turn my fan up. Everything to let the stench out here. Holy moly. Isn't it literally the best when Amazon says something's gonna be delivered on Monday and then it's delivered on Sunday? Let's just freaking open this Amazon package. Probably shouldn't be this excited. This is a horrible angle. There we go. That's a good angle. Hopefully I don't flash my address. This is a massive Amazon package too. I forgot what I ordered. I didn't think it was this big. Oh my gosh! Ow, ow, my legs. Oh, okay. That scared me for a second there. Well, this thing's tiny. What the heck? This is the thing that I want. This is the thing that is for my closet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Why is there so much bubble wrap? Can we just like flash back to like the beginning of this video where I said that I am a very clean person and I hate being messy? I literally hate being messy. Literally my floor right now is a disaster. Oh my gosh, there's so many poles in here. What? Oh my god, there's so many poles. Oh, there we go. I didn't know it was brown. I thought it was black. Whoa. Is this like IKEA? What the heck? Why are there so many pieces in here? Wow, look at these instructions. How instructional. Oh. Ah! You scared me. What's the first step? First step is connect C and D. Where are the C's and D's? Wait, C's and D's. C's and D's. C's. These ones look like C's. Do they have letters on them? How the frick am I supposed to know what the C and a D? Oh, wait. They sing on the instructions. There's supposed to be 8 of these? Wait, no, these are C's. I think these are C's. What are these? Aren't these the exact? No. Yes? These are the exact. C's and D's go together. I'm pretty sure this is a C and I'm pretty sure this is a D. Hi, kitty. Yes, one rod has been assembled. I think I'm gonna fast forward this because I feel like this is gonna take a really long time. Imagine I literally like make this whole thing and then it doesn't fit in my closet. I'm literally so confused. Why in this photo is it 4 levels, but they only told me to make 3 right here. They do not say, where's E? They do not tell me to build a fourth one. A fourth one? I call scam. What is going on here? Seriously, my sister dumped the foam balls all over the floor. Can you even see? So closet cleanup's going, you know, it's going. Got my pile of laundry there. I have a lot of work to do. I just thought to myself, how about before I fully build this thing, I try to fit it in my closet. So if it doesn't, it'll be less taken apart, you know? My room is actually a kind of disaster for cleaning my closet. So. Oh gosh, will it fit in? I did measure it. Why is that literally perfect? Oh gosh, Oh my gosh, guys, I did it. Wow, this looks nice. I love it. My room is stressing me out, so I'm gonna quickly do a little tidy. Let's get this thing in here and put all my shoes on there. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Dude. Boy, look at how good this looks. I look so professional. Ah! Oh, I'm so happy. This thing was $20 or 20, I think it was like around $25 from Amazon. It was worth every freaking penny. If I remember, I'll link it down below. It's not the best quality, but it's great for a closet. Like, it's like a good quality. And it fits 4 pairs of shoes perfectly, at least for me. And I do have a couple more pairs of shoes that I can put up here. Like, I only have 1 of this pair of shoes right now. Great purchase. I'm so happy. Also, it came early, so thank you, Amazon. I got a package today with these Simply Houseware 4 foldable bins for my closet. And oh my goodness, I measured them and I hope they fit. But I wasn't counting this thing, and they fit perfectly. How satisfying is this? I'm gonna put like my extra clothes that are down there, like for summer, in there, and whatever else. I have like nail stuff here too that I can put in there. I can't wait until this video is done so you can see the whole thing. Okay, so we are months later, and a whole pandemic later. I guess not later because the pandemic isn't over. Oh, that was my cat. I hope this is gonna be the last part of this video. It's been like so long. I basically stopped and thought my closet was done, but I never really finished the video. I just put up the first part of this video, which was like the cleaning out part of my closet, and now it is like the decoration part of my closet. So as you can see, this is what we have so far. It basically looks the same except for it's a bit messier, not gonna lie. This side looks pretty similar, but this side looks pretty different. I moved my sweaters into my pant section. But yeah, why I'm here is because I'm actually like gonna do one of the biggest changes, I guess, to the closet, because I got not 1 pack of new hangers,
not 2 packs of new hangers, not 3 packs of new hangers, not 4 packs of new hangers, not 5 packs of new hangers, not 6 new packages of hangers, not 7 packages of new hangers,
but 8 full packages of new hangers from Amazon Basics. I ordered this such a long time ago. I'm totally fine with it taking as long as it takes. It's keeping me sane to like have new things to look forward to, you know? But I've just been waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting for them to finally come so I can replace all of the wooden hangers in my closet into black ones, because I think the black ones are so nice looking. I know you guys are probably gonna cringe at this, but I think the black hangers are gonna be so much better because if you can see, this hanger is a centimeter thick, whereas the new black ones are way thinner, which means, you guessed it, I can fit more clothes in my closet. So yeah, I have a problem. It's becoming summer. I literally started this video in December. I was editing it and I was like, excuse me, like December. Oh yeah, you can see it in my reflection. I got new shelves, or I put up new shelves. That is going to be like fully documented in my room series, my room renovation series. But yeah, you can see the new shelves right there. So if you're wondering what those are, new shelves. But anyway, let's just get into switching out the hangers. Last thing in this part of the closet, and then we're moving on to the pants and sweaters. This is the fanciest dress I own. I think it's like $200 or more, and I got it at the thrift store for $14.99, so freaking steal. And that is this side of my closet completely done. The hangers look so good. Like, oh my goodness, how nice does that look? And then I also have my belt over here if I didn't show that. Oop, it's super zoomed in there. If I didn't show that in the first part of the video, but yeah, wow, these hangers look really nice. And like if I wanted to, I could like squish it down really small. So if I have like more clothes in my closet. It is time for the second half of the closet, the sweaters and the pants. So let's just get right into it. Oh no! Oh, my hangers just fell on the ground. Do you see this? Look at all these hangers. Okay, we're back in business. Oh my gosh, my arm is killing me from holding up the clothes. I'm holding them up higher so you guys on the camera can actually see me like putting them on, but we are like, I'd say just a little bit less than halfway done, so that is pretty exciting. Okay, I've done all of my sweaters and now I'm into pants and skirts. Let's just do this thing. Wow. I am so embarrassed. Please don't
Roast me in the comments.
But we have this gigantic, this is how many freaking hangers were in my closet. Like, this is ridiculous. I have a problem. This is sad. Ugh, I don't even know what to say. But in other news, my closet is officially done. Let's see these before and afters. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I absolutely loved editing this video and filming it. I just love how my closet turned out. I hope it's motivational since we are all at home. Like, I don't know, if you guys have some extra time on your hands, like maybe just try to clean out your closet. Not even like this huge renovation, but like get rid of some clothes, reorganize, like refresh. I don't know, just have fun with your closet. And I know a lot of you guys probably don't have as many clothes as me. I explained this all in the first video, so if you guys didn't watch the first part of this video, I will link it down below possibly, or in the iCard button, even though I don't usually use that often. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you want to see more of these sort of like clean out videos. But anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I literally can't believe how many, this is me standing back. My family's gonna be really happy to have some more hangers to use.